Hi, this is Nellie Deutsch, and I'm really excited about this Vimeo recording. So I'm sharing it with you. I'm using Screencast-O-Matic to share a Vimeo screener, or they call it start recording. All right, so let's get started with this amazing tool. It really has a huge potential. So notice what's available here. You can screen share without camera, with camera, and with both. This may be an alternative to Screencast-O-Matic, and Vimeo screener is completely free. Notice I'm going to, well, there you can set your webcam, and that's my default. And then you can start recording. This is sharing your screen, so you are actually sharing whatever you have. So look what's available here. You can have your entire screen, an application window, or Chrome, and then you click on share. This is absolutely amazing. So let's go to Chrome and see what we can share here. So, okay, let's share this. All right, so this is it. Okay, so you can see me, and you can see the recorder right there, which makes it so easy. This is absolutely, I must have said this at least a million times. So notice what's happening here. It's uploading, and notice what the options are. Private link, or you can make this a public. Okay, so I'm going to make it public. I like everything public. I like to share what I do, and I hope you do the same. So notice here is the copy the link. I can copy it here. Right now it's uploading. Notice these are my settings on Vimeo, and I can delete the whole thing. So there it is. There's the video. So there's the video. You can see that I can play it here. And I showed you that. I can also share this if I click. This is the Vimeo way, and I like it. It's so clean and sharp and designed beautifully. So I can share this with Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, I guess. Get the embed code. Okay, so this is amazing. I haven't given it a title. I guess I should give it a title, right? It's just called new recording, but I can give it a title. It's also got the time and date. I can call this testing Vimeo. All right, so that could be my new title. I guess you could add a description here. Isn't this absolutely amazing? Don't you just love it? And that's it. Try it out and tell me what you think. It's being recorded with Screencast-O-Matic. Hope you enjoy it. Ask your questions in the comment box and subscribe.